Welcome back everyone. In this episode, well, Australia loves big things and Herbie is back in Wentworth. Stick around. Today I've travelled across the river to Wentworth for the unveiling of Australia's latest big thing, Herbie the Giant Yabbie. More than just a new roadside attraction, Herbie brings a much-loved local icon back to Wentworth, and it's a great example of what can be achieved when a community pulls together to bring an idea to life.
Today we are joined by Wentworth Shire Councillor Mayor Daniel Linklater, Councillors Brian Beaumont, Peter Crisp, Michael Weeding, along with directors of the Community Bank, Ted O'Shaughnessy, Tegan Douglas, Glenn Thompson and Steph Haseman. Moving Herbie was no small task and required some very large equipment. We were fortunate to have dedicated community members.
Can't be at a big Aussie thing without a big Aussie snag.
As we know, yabbies can spend significant periods of time burrowed into the mud, just waiting for better conditions to re-emerge. Well, Herbie was previously on display not far from here, I'm told, but he went into hibernation for quite a number of years. Thanks to Community Bank, Wentworth and District, the right conditions were provided, these being vision, community spirit, perseverance and of course a few dollars. We have the big mud crab at Daily Waters, the big cricket bat in Narran Cup. I'm sure many of you would remember the big orange at Berry. We have a big orange just down the road here at Orange World. I remember visiting the big pineapple as a child. These are things we all remember. We have the big barrel, the big Chico roll, the big rocking horse. You name it, there's a big something for it. I guess anyone who's walked down Rundle Mall in Adelaide will recall those big spherical things. But now, I think far more magnificently and tastefully, far more elegantly, taking pride of place right here in Wentworth, we have Herbie the Big Yabbie. And doesn't he look impressive?
I'm here with Jason, Daniel and Ted. G'day guys, how are you?
Good, thank you.
How good is it to have Herbie back?
Fantastic.
Yeah, I can vaguely remember it as a little kid, but I suppose a lot of the older people here will have some great memories of Herbie.
Well, my eldest son is here and he's 41 and we have a photo of him, I'd say before, sitting on the crawl with his mum and his brother and his grandfather. It was always a must-do thing to come and visit Herbie when you had visitors to town.
That's right.
And I can't even vaguely remember it, so I'm extra thrilled to see you.
You must be younger than you look.
You're only a baby.
Thanks,
Jason, your involvement in Herbie, can you give us a bit of a background on how you came involved?
I suppose we used to own the Golden Fleece service station, which was just here.
Okay.
And the Abbey was behind over there, which was the aquarium, so we played on it as kids and all of that. And after it got demolished and taken away, we never knew where it went. It was probably 5 or 6 years ago. I might have been doing some work down the river and I seen the claw in the trees and I thought, I know that. And then the lady that owned the place, she said, yes, that's Herbie. And her father, who owned the jail, he saved him and took him down there, so it didn't get crushed.
That's incredible.
And I just said, look, and then I told my dad about it. He was on the council and he wanted to bring it back. And the rest is history. They sold the place, they gifted it to me to bring it back. And I think we sat on it for 2 or 3 years. And then when the Bendigo Bank got on it, and here he is.
Well done, guys, and congratulations. I think Herbie's fantastic, and I think it'll be here for a long, long time to come.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for your support.
Daniel.
Good on you, Jason.
Thank you.
Good on you, mate. Good on you, Daniel.
Good job again.
Good on you, Ted.
Thank you. Thanks for the coverage.
Good job again, Ted.
Well, there you go, guys. Herbie the Big Yabbie. If you like this video, check that one out there. And don't forget to have a look at outandaboutsonraysia.com.au and also considering liking and subscribing if you like this content. But that's all. Be good, stay safe, and bye for now.